Hello, thanks for dropping in. Here's a picture of a tiny little green frog. And keep in mind, what that tiny little frog is on are blades of grass. It's not like branches and things. It was tiny, teeny tiny. I was up visiting a friend of mine near Orangeville, Ontario, and we were talking and stuff, and I just saw this little guy hanging onto the grass, and I had my camera with me. Yes, carry your camera. Carry your camera. And I aimed and fired a few shots, carefully getting the focus on him. And how do I do that? Well, if you see there's a square off in the corner, and I've used this now to help me focus as I do things here. But the Sony camera I was using, an R1, had this beautiful thing. You could move the thing, put the square right where you wanted the focus to be, and that is where the focus would be. Anyway, this also was cropped because, remember, this is a tiny, tiny little frog. Anyway, train your eye, keep shooting, keep practicing, and even though everybody in the world is taking pictures with phones, that's fine. Use a phone, whatever you got. Cameras are better, but use a phone, train your eye, pick your angle, and sometimes, you think, oh, this will make a great shot, and you try and you look and you keep looking, and it doesn't. And you know what? That's the case. Walk away. Walk away, walk away, walk away. Sometimes it's not right. Or sometimes you just got to move something or move somebody just a little bit to take a picture and turn it into something magnificent. Remember, you're in charge. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.